All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof, short wheelbase with what has got 23,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, got backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. All right, folks, and tire thread here is at 10-30 seconds, 9-30 seconds, around there. Door looks good. Quarter looks pretty darn good. I don't see anything dent. Wow. Here's your front passenger, your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread is at around 8-30 seconds. You got power windows, power door locks, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got this, what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues. Your mileage of 23,506. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Keep it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Doors look pretty nice as well. All right. The inside of this door looks like complete. Looks a little bit beat. As you can see, it's got some heavy scuffings around. It's got some dents on this door handle area. This is what your trunk space looks like. Very nice. Your rear cargo area, it's pretty good. The floors look good. Wheel well covers look good. That one has a couple of heavy scratches over there, but still pretty good. This one here looks pretty nice. I said this one also has some scuffing, not as bad as the other side, and some dents with the heavy scratching here. All right. The rest of it looks good. Looks good on the outside, which is really the most aesthetically pleasing. All right, let's check out your roof. And your roof for this back here looks pretty good. I see some damage up there. We're gonna get to it in a second. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. Your tire thread is under 7-30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Sliding door looks nice. You look good here on your side cargo area. That looks good. AC is working fantastic in there. You can feel it even when I open that side door. A little chippy there, and another one there. A few more here on this door. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. The front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's a front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread. It's at 7-30 seconds. Over 7-30 seconds. Coming around. Let's check out this sliding door. I just noticed has some dents. One there, another one there. They look from the inside out. All right, let's check out this roof. See what's up with it. Oh yeah, we got some dents here on this roof, as you can see from here clearly to the other side, and some more here. So it goes basically from that line here, from here, coming this way. All right. So you can see it very clear. I'm gonna back my camera up. Boom. So you can see it. All right. All right, folks, with lights are working, cars running, things are perfect. folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit, the T-150, mid-roof short wheelbase with 23,000 miles. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.